Hi everyone. Seeing as we're not out and about with the truck or the purple float at the moment, we thought we'd let the animals check in and say hi.
Hi, my name's Hugo, and before you ask, no, I don't know Shrek.
And me, I'm his friend Sweet Pea. I don't know who gave me that name, because believe me, as cute as I may look, I'm anything but sweet.
I'm Snowball the Kid. Ruff, I'm Buddy.
I'm Paris.
How do you do? I'm Snoopy Noo.
I'm Moxie, and I've told you before, I'm too old for these shenanigans.
Let's see who else we can find.
Name's Shady. Back in the day, I was a champion, you know. What about me? I'm Lou. I was Maddie's first Calf Club Day sheep, and I was one of the first animals to be part of Little Bo Peeps 9 years ago.
What about me? What about me? I was the very first animal in Little Bo Peeps. I'm Rosie.
I think you're all forgetting about me somehow. I've been around for 9 years too. I'm Chico, and I'm the boss alpaca.
All right, you guys. Enough already. I'm Willow. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful.
I'm Jack. I'm Marble. She's my sister Coco.
And I'm Crystal. I'm nearly 9 years old too.
I am Cheryl. Cheryl, the sheep. You heard that right. She actually named me Cheryl, the sheep. Hi, I'm Bert.
I'm Silver.
Cricket's my name. Don't wear it out. I'm Munchie. Don't ask.
I'm Fly, and I really want to know when there's going to be something better on the menu. I mean, that boy is just tasteless, he's under-seasoned, undercooked, underwhelming.
Yeah, it's okay, kid. You stick with Auntie Poppy. See you later, guys.